All right, looking out at the tropics, we have some updates to bring you at 10 o'clock. First, not a surprise, Kirk is a major hurricane now and really has nothing hindering it from further development or further strengthening as it continues through the central and then eventually North Atlantic. Not an issue. And also we have our newly named Leslie. That will follow right in the path of Kirk. So no issue for land on either of those. And good news, as I mentioned at the top of our newscast, the Hurricane Center has lowered the chance of development. But maybe they would kind of hold it at least through tomorrow's model runs. But we've seen consistency since earlier this week that the models are just not aggressive with anything forming. What it looks like will happen is these two systems, it's kind of a low or not even a low, excuse me, kind of a broad tropical wave that'll move out of the Bay of Campeche and one out of the Caribbean. Neither one of those really dominant, and they kind of keep each other fairly weak, and it's more of just a broad rainmaker of a broad circulation and a rainmaker across the Gulf. Now, big rains are likely for Florida, but thankfully for us, as this system were to try and get its act together early to mid next week, at that point we've got the strong cold front moving on through and an increase in wind shear. So the Gulf of Mexico is going to become a very hostile environment for anything to try and form. That usually what occurs as you get later into the season. We start getting those stronger upper troughs that bring us cold fronts, but also increase wind shear. Now we will start to see our rain chances increasing from a developing upper low off the Texas coast. That will start drawing some moisture, which is just off of our coast northward. You already see on our wide range of radar clouds and rain not too far south. This is when it's going to start moving northward, so kind of unrelated to that area of possible tropical development.